Hello students, today I am going to discuss exercise 3.2 question number 3. See the question here. The weight in kg of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 40, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47. Now you can see it is how many numbers are there. It should be 15. So let us verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am making pair of 5, 5. So you can see it is a group of 5. Again put it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. And let's count the remaining one. So 1 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. So it means 15 are there. Total 15. So it is right. Now find the mode and the median. So first step always we do arrange the observation in ascending order. Ascending order. So I am arranging in ascending order. So this is the smallest one. You can see 32 is the smallest one. So 32 first I will write 32. Underline 32. Then afterward which comes this here. 33 is there. There is no 33. 34 is there. No 34. 35. Yes. 35 is there. So let me write 35. Where is 35? You can see it is here. I am underlining this. So 35. Anywhere 35 else? No. Now, then comes other number 36. So I am going for 36 now. 36. Then how many 36 are there? Count it. Only one. Now 37. This 37 is 1 here. 37. 38. How many are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3. Underline them. 38 also underline. But 38, how many are there? It is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now afterwards this comes here. 38, then 39 is there. No, 39. Then 40. 40 is there. Yes. 40 is there. So 40. It is here. 140 is there. Then 41 is there. No. 42 is there. Yes. So 42. 42. Only 142. Then 43 is there. Yes. You can see 43. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3. Now after 43, which 44 is there? There is no number 44. Here 45 is there. Yes. 45. How many are there? Let's see. 45. 46 is there. No. 47 it is there. Yes. 47. 147 is there. Then 48 is not there. 49 is also not there. Then comes 50. Let us count it. So it should be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it becomes 5. Let me count here. 3 plus 2, 5. Now you can see here 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Here remaining is 3 and their remaining is 2, so it means 15. So it is right. No data is missed or no observation is missed. This is the main step in finding the mode or median. No observation should be missing. Right here. Now we will go for the next step to find. Now I am finding here mode. Now we know the formula mode is equal to the observation which is repeating maximum time. So you can see here 38 came how many times? 1, 2, 3. And here the other number is coming more time is 43. So there are two modes because both are coming same time. So mode is how much here? 38 and this 38 and 43. Two modes are there. I think this clear to you how the mode came because 38 is repeating 3 times, 43 is repeating 3 times, so the mode came 38 and 43. Now we will find median. Median. Now we are going to use this only ascending order that data only. So here n is how much? Number of observation. N is equal to how many are there here? We know 15 students and it is odd number. So I am going to use the formula n plus, therefore median is equal to, we will write n plus 1 by 2x observation. So what is the answer? 15 plus 1 by 2 at observation. It comes 16 by 2. It comes 8. So 8th observation. 8th observation. So what is the 8th observation? Let us see now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is not 7 actually, it is 5 plus 3. So it is 8. 38 is the answer. What is the answer? 8. Because this is the 5. Till this is 5 here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So 40 is the answer. So what is the median? Therefore, median is equal to 40. Median is equal to 40. Our answer came here. Median is 40. Let me explain this once again to you. First, arrange in ascending order. That is the main step in finding median and mode. So I have arranged in ascending order. Do it properly and take time. Don't do it fast. You may miss any observation. Chances of mistake will be there. So I have done first smallest number 32, then 35 and 36, and again verified. I have seen you have seen in the video how I verified. That way you have to verify also. Now mode 38 and 43 is the mode. And median is n is equal to 15, so median is 14. You can see that if there are more than one mode, question is asked here. So yes, you write yes, there are two modes. Right, you can see it asks if there are more than one mode. Yes, there are two modes. And this question completes here. Now question number 4, you can see the question on the board here. Find the mode and the median of the data. The data is given 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. You just see how many numbers are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 data are there, 9 observations are there. Now 9 observations I want to find mode and median. First step, arranging in ascending order. So I am writing here, arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So what comes here? You can see now what is the smallest number? Smallest number is here 12. So I'll take 12 first. How many 12s are there? Just see 1, 2. So 2 12. Then 13. How many are there? Only 2 13 are there. 14. Just see here 1 14. One more here and one more here. So 14, 14. Then 15. How many are there? No 15. Now 16. 1, 16. Then 19. And let us verify it should be 9. So I am making set of 3 3. 1. You can see it is 9. This is the main step. We should verify no observation should be missing. So you can see 3 plus 3 and 3 are not underlined. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So no observation is missing. Now we will start finding mode. So mode is equal to which observation is repeating maximum time? You can see 12 is coming 2 times, 13 coming 2 times, but 14 is coming 3 times. So what is the answer? 14. 14 is coming 3 times. You can see here 1, 2, 3. 14 came 3. So 14 is the mode. Now let us come on median. So median is equal to, first before that I write here what is n is equal to 9. Number of observations how many are there? 9. So I will use the formula n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. Now it comes what? 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. And it is 10 by 2. And it comes what? 5th observation. What is the answer? 5th observation is the answer. I am writing in short here. 5th observation. So which is the 5th observation? Just see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th observation is what here? Therefore write median is equal to 14. Right? You can see. Therefore median is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median is 14. See the question what is asked. Find the mode and the median of the data. Only you have to find the mode and the median. So mode is 15, even the median is 15. Let me explain once again to you. Arrange in ascending order. Now you can see here median is 14 and mode is how much here? It is also 14. And I think this question is over here. And if you have any doubt, you will see. But I think almost all the doubts are over of this question. Question number 4 completes here. Now question number 5. Tell whether the statements are true or false. The first statement: the mode is always one of the number in the data. So what is the definition of mode? It repeats the data which is repeating maximum time. So obviously this answer is going to be true. So first answer is true. Right? Now next, the mean in one of the mean is actually comes here is one of the numbers in a data. So it is wrong because mean sometimes may not be there or may be there. It is not, so it is false. Right? Third, median is always one of the number in the data. Yes, because we find middle observation. Suppose I will find middle of this one, so it comes, so it will be different. So it will be true. Always one of the observations, so it will be true. Because if I find the median of this one, so count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 8 here. So suppose I'll take one more here because we always go for an odd number. So it will be which one? 9. So 9 I will take fifth observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I add one more here, then it will come fifth observation. So like this we do. Right here. Now the data is given here. You have to find the mean. The mean of this number is given here as 9. So let me find out here the sum of these numbers. So it comes here 6 plus 4. It is how much? Let us see here. Fourth part. I have to find the mean. So I am using the formula. I am adding all the numbers. So 6 plus 4, 10. So I am writing 10, 10 addition, 2 number addition, 10. And here 3 plus 8, 11. I am writing here. You can see here 9, 12 plus 9. It is coming how much? 21. And you can see here now. And 13 plus 9. You can see it is 22. Now you add this. And upon how much it is, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upon 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So it is coming 4 here. Then 1, 2, 4, 4. You can see 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer is coming how much? 8. So but they gave answer how much here? 9. Therefore the answer is false. Right here. Therefore you can see the answer is false. We are getting how much mean here? 8. And they gave how much here? 9. If they gave to us 9. The answer is false. Right here. This question 5 completes here. And this exercise completes here. And we will come with a new exercise in the new video. I think your question number 3, 4, 5 I discussed just now with you. All doubts will be over. Thank you everyone.